after they landed back on Earth. The instrument panel is here with lots of controls for the spacecraft. In the center, you can look through here to see through the periscope. There's also small windows on each side for the crew to look outside. There's a hatch that can be opened that leads to the orbital module. This is the living area when they are in space. Sometimes they call it the habitation module. They store equipment, eat meals, and there's even a toilet in here. But these aren't like the toilets you'd find here on Earth. There's a side hatch that will be used to enter the vehicle on the launch pad. It's usually not used when in space. The docking hatch is in the front and will be opened once docked to the station. In the very back we have the service module, sometimes called the instrument module or the propulsion module. The service module contains the truss structure, fuel tanks, oxygen tanks, and extra batteries. On the outside of the spacecraft you can see where the electrical connections are made between the different modules. The only part that returns back to Earth is the descent module. The other parts will burn up as they re-enter the Earth's atmosphere at the end of the mission. To get the Soyuz spacecraft into space, it is launched inside of a massive rocket, which is called the Soyuz rocket. The entire launch takes just under 9 minutes. To learn more, you can watch my animation all about the Soyuz launch. After the launch, the Soyuz is orbiting at about 240 kilometers. The ISS is orbiting at a height of about 400 kilometers. This next part is called rendezvous and docking. This is where the Soyuz will catch up with and attach to the ISS. When the Soyuz launches, it needs to do it at the right orbital inclination. This is the angle that you are in relation to the Earth's equator. So an orbital inclination